month of September. So welcome to this week, guys. So today we are gonna be going through our Forex weekly forecast. I'm gonna be showing you step by step exactly how I'm gonna break down each pair. So stay with me so you can learn and master how to trade multiple time frames. So remember, here on our channel, guys, if you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our channel, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss any video from us. I want to give a reminder to everyone, guys. Monday, it is a holiday here in the United States. It's going to be a Labor Day, which is a federal holiday here in the United States, to celebrate on the first Monday in September of any given year to honor and recognize the American labor movement. So please, guys, don't trade on Monday. Monday's gonna be holidays. Let me show you what the market has to offer this coming week, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what AUD USD is going to perform. Remember, Monday it is a holiday, so market will be acting very slow. But here with our multiple time frame, you will be getting tons of pips trading our system. So our system is very straightforward how to use it. So you're gonna get notification when the market is ready. So here's multiple time frame letting you know currently AUD USD, it is in a buy position. Same thing, always pay attention to your dashboard. Your dashboard, it is very important to know in which direction of the trend you are going to be trading. So we do have a trade open in this one. We left it open during the weekend and it still has 304 pips. So that is $3,000 in there. So what's my understanding for this coming week, guys? The market is getting ready for a beautiful pullback, but the pullback is not ready yet. So this is my opinion, guys. Market will be still pushing up all the way, retesting your 0 Fibonacci level, which is gonna make your sell here stronger. From there, we are gonna boom see a continuation of that pullback. So pullback, it is coming for this coming week, guys. All I'm seeing here on AUD USD, market is getting ready for a beautiful pullback. Please let me know in the comment below if you have any question or any suggestion, or if you guys want me to analyze any pair on Tuesday. Please let me know. And remember, guys, it's very important for you to understand our Forex disclaimer is that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you a signal. And please, the most important thing in here is do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky, and also you can win huge. So make sure you do learn how to trade. If you want me to teach you how to trade, guys, please let me know in the comment below. I will be more than happy to do it, or either you can join our YouTube Gold membership, and then in there you're gonna get our access to see how we do it. It's the best 39 bucks you're gonna ever spend. Join that. The link is on the description of this video, or if you want to grab our multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do it. So the link is also in the description of this video. But if you're not ready, go ahead and join our YouTube Gold membership so you can have access to see how we do our live sessions and so on. But also send me a private message once you join, so I will give you access, okay? Because you're not gonna have access no matter what. So I really want you to understand that. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone here, it is USD Canadian. USD Canadian, it is another pair that we are also on 435 pips at this present time. But look, pay close attention, guys. Look at how simple it is using our system. Here it tells you that USD Canadian, it is in a sell position. Our sniper entry is also letting us know that we are also selling this bag, guys. So this trade here, USD Canadian, it is selling at this present time. Remember, it's coming for this week. It's for the week of September 6th to the 10th. Monday, it will be a Labor Day holiday, which is to celebrate and recognize and honor all the American labor movement. So please, guys, don't trade on Monday. Monday market will be very slow, but it's up to you. So enjoy your time, do something, do whatever you have to do. And I'm not gonna give you any access on Monday, guys, because I will be in Miami. So I'm traveling all this weekend, and I'm gonna be enjoying there, and I'm gonna be also giving some conference while I'm in Miami. So some company hired me to come and give them a overview of how to trade multiple time frame and so on. So I'm very thrilled, very excited to go and show all the traders how to make hundreds and hundreds and what? Wait, and hundreds of what? And hundreds of it. Let's go. That's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. I'm very excited. So Miami, here we are gonna be excited to show you how we trade multiple time frame. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys here, it is the following. It is EURGBP. We were doing this trade, guys, last week with our private members. So that is the class that I was telling you. If you guys want to join our YouTube Gold membership, please do so, guys. The link is in the description of this video. Join. It's only $39. It's gonna be the best investment of your life. You don't need to grab the multiple time frame yet, but if you do sign up, please let me know so I can give you access. Send me a private Telegram message so I can give you access and so on. All right, and then later on, if you decide to join our family, let me know and I will give you those $39 off, so like that you don't waste your money. So, or if you don't have money and you want to join only our YouTube Gold membership and you want to do like a payment plan until your system is paid off, I also can take care of that as well. All right, so that's it, because we're still celebrating our national holiday, which is the Labor Day holiday. All right, so we are gonna be doing that. All right, so EURGBP, guys, the trend here, it is bullish. We have multiple time frame in here. We have multiple time white arrow. We have our TWE sniper entry as well. We have our blue arrow as well, letting everyone know that EURGBP, guys, it is bullish, except that at this present time, market is giving us, what do you guys think the market is giving us here, guys? The market is giving us a sell, but this sell is considered a sell pullback. That's what the market is doing at this current time. All I can say is the market still has potential to keep going down because it's selling, it's a pullback. So market still have potential to retest this previous multiple time frame red arrow right at this location here. Then the market will retrace back up, and the market will make another movement down, so confirming and making the last push of this pullback, and then boom, market will be giving us a brand new green arrow here, letting us know that we are in a buy position. And guess what? Boom, the market will be in a bullish position. Please, guys, let me know in the comment below if this makes sense. Since I already have you here, it is very important for me to understand that you are learning what I'm teaching you here. Anyway, it's free, guys. Stop paying for signal. Comment below, let me know, Erving, this is what I'm having problem. Erving, I need you to teach me how to trade. Make sure you do, guys, subscribe as well so you never miss any of our daily trading videos. The link is in the description of this video as well. So all the links are here, guys. Or if you want to grab our membership, please do so, or either you can sign up and grab our multiple time frame. Our website is the following, is www.tweforexsystem.com, so you can join that and let's go, let's start making money together. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone here, it is Eur USD. What is Eur USD doing, guys? What do you guys think Eur USD is doing at this present time? Well, Eur USD is getting ready for a retracement. Look, guys, stop paying for signal. Look at this one. This sell here is touching your sell zone. Remember, your sell zone is your 0 Fibonacci level, and your buy zone, it is your 100 Fibonacci level. So your sell zone right now is getting ready. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is still bullish, don't get me wrong. So the market is getting ready. So all I can think the market is gonna do next, guys, is the market is gonna retrace back, retesting this previous multiple time frame red arrow here, or either our TWE sniper entry as well with a multiple time frame, and then from there making the sell stronger, because we're looking on this one for a pullback. So I want everyone to remember one thing, guys. All this week, the week of September 6th to the 10th, the market will be doing a lot of pullbacks, guys. A lot of pullbacks are forming here on the market. So please be careful, guys. Do not trade on Sunday. Do not trade on Monday. Monday, it is a federal Labor Day holiday. So here in the United States, to celebrate and honor of and recognize all the Americans' labor movement. So we are gonna be off. We are gonna be enjoying our family. So there will be nothing on the market, guys. So spend some time with your family. If you guys want me to pull a live streaming only on the video on Monday, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to do that for you. But I will be trading that day because it's a holiday. All right, I'm just letting you know up front, guys, what the market is doing. Hopefully all this makes sense. Let me kind of fix this here so you can see it. All right, there you go. All right, so what's going on here on USDJPY? So the movement here on USDJPY, guys, it is bearish, guys. So look at here, multiple time frame is boom located at this area here. Our TWE is also selling. So all I can say, guys, for this coming week, the market will be doing the following. Please let me know in the comment below if you disagree, which is fine. So all I can say is market still have potential to drop down and retest your 61.8 Fibonacci line. From there, remember the market here is selling, guys. It is selling. Or either the market can come back to your 61.8 Fibonacci. If it did respect that level, that means the market still have room to retest your 78 Fibonacci line. Either way is fine. But all I can say, I'm gonna keep it to the lowest one here, guys. I'm gonna keep it to your 61.8. From there, the market is gonna do a small retracement back down, so it can make and retest all this previous support and resistance right in here. And then, boom, market will continue as a sell. Remember that here, USDJPY is doing a pullback, guys. So remember, there it is a lot of pullbacks on the market. The question is, do you agree with me or you disagree? I would like to hear from you so we all can be in the same page. Let me know in the comment below. Join and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so you will never miss any content from us. Join our YouTube Gold membership if you want to do that, or either you can join our multiple time frame. The link is on the description of this video as well, or either you go to our website TWEForexSystem.com. So hopefully everybody is finding value, guys. I want to thank everyone for coming in here today, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your federal holiday, Labor Day honors, and say thank you to those Americans labor movement that we are gonna be celebrating, guys. So once again, thank you for joining us, thank you for watching, and God bless you, God bless your beautiful family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Thank you for seeing our Forex weekly forecast. Make sure you do subscribe with Teamwitherving. Let's go, guys. So see you on Tuesday. Stay safe. Peace.